Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I style my taper cut. So keep watching. Alright, so I just finished washing my hair, so it is nice and clean. So I'm going to show you how I pretty much style my tapered cut. Now, I am using several products for this video. So my first, I am going to be using my Mazzani 25 Miracle Milk leave-in conditioner. This conditioner, I'm telling you, is like life. Literally life. I love this conditioner so much. So I'm going to add my leave-in first. Then I'm going to go ahead and follow up with my Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Wrap Me Foamy Mousse. So I will be using this. I got this from my local beauty supply store. And I'm going to spread that all over my hair. And then my last product now, to seal it in, it is my Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly from Curls. This stuff, like, in love. Well, actually, all these products that I mentioned are like my go-to products. And I used them when I had long hair, and now I'm using them with my short hair. And I've always wanted to use this with my hair short, if that makes sense. Like before, when I had long hair, I was like, I wonder how this would be with short hair. Bomb. Alright, so now that I told you all of the products I'll be using, let's get started. I'm super excited, guys. Woo! So the first thing I'm going to be using is the leave-in, as I told you. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the product in. Alright, so now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead with my mousse. Alright, so I have enough of the mousse in, so I'm going to go ahead and just use my hands to kind of work the product in. Now, I don't really like to use they have like these sponges that help to form the curls, so I'm not really a big fan of those. I just like to use my own hands to just go ahead and form my curls. Alright, so now that I have already done that, I'm going to use my brush to just brush down the back and make sure that that is all laid. Okay, so now that I have my backs all set, I am now going to add my gel. So you can already see that my curls were really popping. Look at it. Ow, ow. So now what I'm going to go in, I am just going to go ahead and use my hair dryer to diffuse my hair. So I'm going to use my diffuser to just, you know, help the curls clump a little more, dry a little tighter, look perfect and beautiful. But if you don't have a diffuser, you can definitely just air dry. That works too. Have dried. So now my last step, of course, is to do my edges. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay them bad boys down. I will be using my Curls Blueberry Bliss Control Paste, and I will also be using my Eco Styler gel, which is the black castor oil, well, the olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil, and flaxseed, all the above. Alright guys, that is my wash and go routine for my tapered look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was super easy to do and took me like literally like 10 minutes to do. So it's very low maintenance. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys tried this out for yourselves. Even you can try this out on your long hair. So definitely make sure you try some of these products out that I put in the description area. But other than that, stay tuned for another fun video. Bye guys!